Here I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to add lock screen on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and open security, and now click on Fingerprint. And if you'd like to unlock your device with Fingerprint, click on Continue. And at first you have to set some backup method. So for example, it can be pattern, pin code, or the password. I will pick pattern, and let me enter a letter, click on Continue, and now you have to draw the pattern one more time for confirmation. So let me do it and tap on Confirm. And then decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or if you want to see notifications at all. And I will choose the last one and click on Done. So now you have to locate the fingerprint sensor of the back of your phone. So let me turn around the phone, and here it is. Click on Next, and now just put your finger on this sensor. So just move your finger slightly to add all the different parts of your fingerprint. And as you can see, fingerprint has been added. Click on Done to finish the whole process. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. This is it. I just touched, sorry, just one, let me do it one more time. Okay, so the pattern is also required, but I will do it one more time with this fingerprint only. Here it is. As you can see, I unlock it quickly with fingerprint, and if you give your device to some stranger, just tell him your pattern and he will also be able to unlock it. So that would be all. This is how you can add fingerprint to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.